Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of CTK Biotech OnSite Rabbit Test H.Pylori Antibody Combo Rabbit Test. Okay, here you go. Actually this test kit is used to detect antibodies IgG, IgM, IgA from the human serum, plasma and whole blood. This box, this is a CE certified product, and this box, if you look at it, has 30 individual packed cassette devices, 30 plastic droppers and one sample diluent and one package insert. You can see on a standard it has a 2 years of expiry period, and this is how the box looks like. Probably I'll just show you around the box. This is how the box looks like. Okay, here you go. You can see it's from CTK Biotech. Okay, I'll just open this box for you. Okay, here's the inside content of the box. You have one IFA brochure which contains the complete instruction for this product. Here you can see that there's an instruction manual, and you can see inside you have 30 droppers. And you got the sample dilute buffer solution. You can see it here. So it is a 5 ml buffer bottle. And you have 30 test cassettes inside. Let me pick 2 cassettes from here. You can see this. This is how the cassette looks like. The other side of the cassette. So on a standard, if you look at it, this kit has 2 years of expiry period. So just quickly to summarize, the CTK Biotech OnSite Rabbit test kit for the H.Pylori AB combo rabbit test. So this particularly used to detect the antibodies of IgG, IgM and IgA. So it contains one IFU brochure and a 30 dropper and one 5 ml buffer liquid, and you have 30 cassettes. This is the complete kit. Thank you.